because. Because speaks to reasoning. It shows cause and effect. And the way that you can use this is to speak to results. It's to help your prospect rationalize the offer. Let me show you what I mean. Your prospect will always say the following sentence internally. I need this because blank. It's your job to help them fill in the blank. I need this because it will help me lose weight. I need this because I want to be impressive in front of my friends. I need this because it will make me money. When you say because, you're showing cause and effect. So in my context, I have online course students, and I usually try to let them know about upcoming courses that I'm going to release or any information that's insider. I want them to know about it. And I want them to know the reason why I'm letting them know about it is because I value them. So here's a line out of a recent email I wrote to some of my students. I said, you're one of the first to hear about this offer because I value my students. I want them to know the reason why they're getting this isn't just because I wanted to send it to them randomly, but I'm sending it to them and giving them an offer because I value them. Here's the second example of writing some cause and effect copy. It says here, this person increased their revenue by 20% because they took my course. It's a simple cause and effect word that helps you bridge the gap between what your reader's thinking and what you're wanting them to think.